Foundation had introduced another award called the Willstar Award for the one who in his journey of courage has shown grit and determination to overcome all obstacles and risen high to catch the stars in spite of challenges faced by him. He has the spirit that Nina Foundation stands for, that indomitable spirit of life, and that to walk together for a wonderful tomorrow with a head held high. That's what you just said, holding a head held high. And that is truly filled, a life filled with hope, positivity, and achievement. This year's winner and idol is Mr. Amol Boriwale from Pune. Please. Yeah. Arjun once noticed his brother Bhim hogging away, because he's a voracious eater, in the night. So eating in the dark, he thought if his brother could do a good job, why doesn't he start practicing shooting? And this is what inspired the archer. Our even great Arjun, he had this experience कि भीम को अंधेरे को खाते हुए देखा, तब अर्जुन ने सोचा क्यों मैं ऐसे ना अंधेरे में तीर लगाना चालू करूं या सीख जाऊं, जिससे वो इस कला में उत्तीर्ण हो जाए. यही है बोरीवाले ने जो किया. उत्तीर्ण हुआ और उसका बाण उठाया. This is in the darkest phase of his life. This aspiring paratrooper did not lose hope, nor was he scared of heights, be it in measurement or just going beyond his own expectation. You'll shortly see why. Famous archer Howard Hill won all the 267 contests, the archery contests he had entered. Ziegler said when Hill was asked whether it would be how would it be possible for him to be a better shooter than the best, he said, if I were blindfolded. Surprised when he asked how he could hit a target he could not see, or a target he did not have any to shoot at, Howard Hill calmly replied, you need to have goals in your life, have targets in your life. Amol ne हेच केलं, त्यांचा मोडला कणा तरी जपला सैनिकी बना. This is what he did. आपले शरीर बाजूला ठेवून मन घट्ट केले की ध्येयनिष्ठ होऊन ही कला हातात घेतली. He put aside his physically challenged body, set a target for himself with many goals, and made a fresh start. This Arjun of ours initially could not even wield the bow and arrow without being clumsy. However, his determination hit the bullseye. हम आपके जिद को सलाम करते हैं अमोल जी. इनके द्रोणाचार्य, his teacher रविशंकर जी, उनकी बहुत योग्य तारीफ करते हुए कहते हैं कि उनकी लगन और यशस्वी होने की इच्छा बहुत प्रबल है. यही है उनका प्लस पॉइंट. His Dronacharya ACI coach Ravi Shankar is all praise for him. Just after 6 months during the demining of the J&K area, a mine blasted and its splinters damaged his spinal cord at T10 level. This left him paralyzed below his waist with loss of control over his bowel and bladder for the rest of his life. Initially treated at the military hospital Khadki near Pune, he was relieved from military service in August 2008. जब उनके साथ हादसा हुआ, उनकी जिंदगी ने उन्हें एक नए जंक्शन पर लाया. पीआरसी में जहां वो रहते हैं, उधर बहुत सारे एससीआई मित्र स्पोर्ट्स खेल रहे थे. उनके मन में विचार आया क्यों न मैं. यहाँ से उनकी नई शुरुआत हुई और एक नया हौसला. Destiny opened his heart to a new door in his life at the PRC where he now lives. He saw paraplegics play various sports. He started training in sports, namely discus and javelin, and subsequently shifted to archery. It was only in 2009 that he started professional training in archery. What started as a hobby turned out to be a turning point in his life. For 3 national championships for archery and 2 for athletics, his tally of gold medals won are wowable, namely 30 gold, 2 silver, and 1 bronze. Well done, Amol. Next is उनके इस नया प्यार को एक साधना बनाई जिसमें उनके मेडल्स काफ़ी है. 30 सुनहरे, 2 चांदी के और 1 ब्रॉन्ज. अभी हमें और एक अप्लॉज देना चाहिए, तो गोल्डन अप्लॉज होना चाहिए इतने लिए. At the national level, he came first in Maharashtra's Golden Jubilee Run, 6th December 2009, a race against AIDS, and the Archery Championship 2011. Paralympic Archery Federation started at a distance of winning at 30. He is now winning at a distance of 90. So he is going to take big strides. He's proud to have represented India in the International Wheelchair Amputee Sports in 2009, the Asian Para Games held in China in 2010, in Italy in 2011, and his achievements include winning the International Marathon Wheelchair held in Pune, not once, but 3 times. Does not stop at this. He's won 5 more gold medals in National Para Archery Championships in 2011. Amol, you really make us proud, huh? And may you collect a lot more gold. अभी gold का भाव भी चढ़ रहा है ना, तो बहुत सारे gold ही लेके आना. राष्ट्रीय स्पर्धा में तो उनको यश मिला ही, लेकिन अंतरराष्ट्रीय स्पर्धा में भी उन्होंने हिस्सा लिया और भरे हुए मेडल्स लेके आते रहे. अभी इसका दिल भरा नहीं है मेडल से, तो और लेते आना. He is truly the will star, not only for his grit and determination, but he takes a place of pride being only, and yes, the only paraplegic archer in India. He competes with none other than himself, and now his target is to improve his own record. He has raised the bar of his standards much higher, and now he is determined to etch his name in world championships and ranking. उनको अब खुद से ही बेहतर करना है और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय रैंकिंग कमानी है. इस अपने डिजायर को है जो अपने को दिल से हम चाहते हैं कि आप जल्दी ही जल्दी ये मुकाम पहुंचे. His contribution to society includes motivating newly injured SCI friends to face life with dignity and show that members are not a liability, in fact, achievers and a paragon of confidence. This he sets by traveling alone by train also. His normal day includes 8 hours of daily rigorous practice, 4 hours in the morning, 4 in the evening, and he is grateful to PRC Pune, who has rewarded him with professional and ASI equipment, and also the Indian Army, who have given him valuable financial support. Let us see a film on this Will Star awardee, also created by Create Advertising.
जो सब करते हैं यारो वो क्यों हम तुम करें, यूं ही कसरत करते करते काहे को हम मरे, घर वालों से टीचर से भला हम क्यों डरे, यहाँ के हम सिकंदर चाहे तो रख ले सबको अपनी जेब के अंदर, हर हद से बच के रहना मेरा।